Replacing a door is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's security, comfort, and curb appeal. But many homeowners worry that staying within budget means settling for a door that won't last, or one that lacks the style and performance they want. The good news is that today's market offers affordable replacement door options that deliver durability, energy efficiency, and beauty without the premium price tag. If you're upgrading your entry, patio, or interior doors, here are cost-friendly choices that provide long-term value without sacrificing quality. Steel entry doors. Strong, secure, and surprisingly budget-friendly steel doors offer one of the best combinations of affordability and performance. They are typically less expensive than fiberglass or solid wood but deliver outstanding durability and security. Why steel doors offer great value? Excellent protection against forced entry, low maintenance and long-lasting performance, superior insulation for energy efficiency, smooth or wood grain finishes to match your style, resistant to warping, cracking, and rot for homeowners looking for maximum strength at a reasonable price. Steel entry doors are one of the smartest investments available. Fiberglass doors. Affordable, stylish, and built-to-last fiberglass doors are often seen as premium options, but many manufacturers offer budget-friendly models that still provide exceptional durability and aesthetic appeal. These doors mimic the look of natural wood without the maintenance or cost. Benefits of affordable fiberglass doors include high resistance to dents, scratches, and weather damage, energy-efficient foam cores for better insulation, low maintenance surfaces that resist fading, customizable designs to match modern or traditional homes for homeowners wanting elegance and strength without overspending. Fiberglass is an excellent mid-range option. Vinyl patio doors. A cost-effective option for style and efficiency, vinyl patio doors are one of the most budget-conscious replacements available, and they perform impressively well. Vinyl frames offer strong insulation and resist common issues like moisture damage, cracking, or fading. Why homeowners love vinyl patio doors? Affordable price point compared to wood or aluminum, energy-efficient design perfect for reducing heating and cooling costs, wide selection of styles, including sliding and French designs, minimal maintenance required. Just occasional cleaning. Vinyl doors are ideal for homeowners who want attractive, efficient patio doors without premium pricing. Composite doors. Affordable durability with versatile design. Composite doors combine wood fibers with durable resins to create a strong, stable product that mimics the appearance of natural wood. These doors offer high performance at a lower price than traditional solid wood doors. Composite doors offer great resistance to rot, moisture, and temperature changes, excellent insulation due to solid construction, affordable pricing compared to natural wood, multiple design and finish options. They're particularly beneficial for humid or unpredictable climates where wood doors may warp or swell. Budget-friendly glass options for patio and side doors. If your home needs new patio or side entry doors, choosing the right glass type can help you stay within budget while still enjoying high performance. Affordable, high-quality glass options include double-pane insulated glass, low-E glass for better energy efficiency, tempered safety glass for added strength, grills between glass for a stylish look without extra cost. These options provide energy savings and durability without the premium price tag of high-end multi-pane systems. Prioritizing professional installation for best results. Even the most affordable high-quality door won't perform well if it's installed incorrectly. A professional installation ensures a proper fit that prevents drafts and moisture, secure anchoring to improve home safety, long-lasting performance, and reduced maintenance, protection of your manufacturer warranty. This step ensures you get the full value out of your new door, no matter the price point. Final thoughts. Finding an affordable replacement door doesn't mean compromising on quality. With modern materials like steel, fiberglass, vinyl, and composite, homeowners can enjoy long-lasting durability, great energy efficiency, and stylish designs without breaking the bank. By pairing the right door with expert installation, you can improve your home's comfort, security, and curb appeal, all while staying within your budget.